channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you my pen collection of this 2020. So without any further ado, let's just get hop into the video. So I'm gonna divide this video into two main sections, where in the first section I'm gonna show you the pens that I usually use for notes taking, and these pens are kind of quirky and cute ones that I have chosen for myself for this 2020. And in the second section I'm gonna show you the pens or the hashtag special pens that I use for journal writing, or sometimes I just don't really use this pen much, but I just bought them just because I've liked them and they were so cute. So first of all, I'm going to begin with the first category of the pens, where I'm going to show you the pens that I usually use. So I'm going to begin with the first section of the pen, which is my favorite Flair Pop Gel pens. So these pens are so cute. Can you see their colors? Their colors are so cute, that's why I've chosen them for myself. I literally bought like around 4, 5 to 6 pieces for myself, and these pens are so cute. Can you see these colors? They are basically Flair Pop Gel pens, and they are also very affordable. If you are looking for any affordable stationery, then these pens are totally recommendable. They are cute, quirky and affordable at the same time. So I literally love these pens. So I'm gonna show you how they work, so that you will also get to know that how smooth these are. So let's begin with this one. I'm just choosing randomly. I just love these colors. So this is a Flair Pop Gel pen. These are literally a great choice if you're looking for a nice pen which is cute and affordable at the same time. Let me remind you that this video is not sponsored, so whatever the products I'm gonna show you, whatever the stationery supplies I'm gonna tell you about is totally bought by myself, and these stationery items are not sponsored. So yeah. Okay, so this was the first category, and if I talk about the second one, I'm gonna show you some of my favorite ball pens that I usually use for taking notes. So this is the second type, where I'm gonna show you these pens. These are basically my daily usage pens. I practice maths a lot, so for the maths practice I use these ball pens, and they are my buddy that I use like every single day. So yeah, you can see these pens. So let me begin with these pens one by one. So this pen is literally, it was like a gift to me. One of my cousin gave it to me, and this cute written molecule is written over here, and this is so cute. I just loved it. You know, this body is very much cute and quirky. I literally don't know the brand because it was like a gift to me. So yeah, but it writes literally so smooth, and it is a good pen. Okay, so the next pen is this one. This pen is also something which I don't know about, because I literally don't buy these kind of pens. I just get them as a gift from somewhere or stuff. So I literally don't know the brand of this pen, but this pen is also something that I love. So this next pen is from Natraj Speed On pen. This pen is also a good pen. So these all pens are affordable, so you can buy these pens from your journal store, or you can also see them online. Next pen is also from Natraj. This pen is a classic pen. I still remember that I have been using this pen since I was like on 6th grade till 12th. So this pen is something which reminds me of nostalgia of my childhood days. The next pen is this pen. This pen is also a good one, guys. So this pen is matte. It's like cello, from cello, and this is also for like $10, so you can get these pens. The next pen is Doms, from Doms. And the next pen is from Flair Carbonics. So this pen is also something which I love. And there are other pens that I have already talked about in my previous video. So if you haven't watched those videos, then please, it's a request to go and watch these videos. I will try to link them in description box. And also, don't forget to like this video if you are enjoying this. And you can also comment down your favorite pen brand and the pens that I usually use and you like. So let me talk about the next pens. So these pens were something that I have already talked about. These pens are something that I use like on the daily basis while I have to take notes. But let me remind you guys, these pens are something that holds a lot of weight. Except for the Pilot pen, others have like a little bit of weight. So while you're writing an exam, you should have the pens that are not very heavy, because you will strain your hands while writing. So it's a guide to you all, or you can take it as advice that you should use the pens which are light in weight so that you won't feel strained while writing an exam. So these pens are highly recommendable if you have like a lot of time and you need to write pretty notes or stuff. Then you can use these types of pen, because these pens goes really smooth. And these pens are kind of they are more than 10 and 20 rupees. So they are, of course, they are kind of expensive. But if you're looking for a pen that is like something that makes your notes pretty, then these pens can help you with. Whereas you can also make pretty notes with the like cheap pens as well. It's not something like hard and core rule, but I'm just giving you my advice, and these are something that I use, and I love using these pens because their ink is so good and they are very smooth. But it is highly recommendable to not to write in your exams with these kinds of pens. So a better choice for writing an exam is these pens that I'm gonna show you. So these pens are from Classmate. Okay, yeah, Classmate do have pens, and this is Classmate V First Gel. So these pens are the lightest pens, and they are also very cheap and affordable. They're like of 5 rupee bucks. So yeah, these pens are something a great choice for your exams, because they are so lightest and you can write fast with these types of pens. So yeah, you can go for these pens, and they are smooth as well. So yeah, they are a better choice for writing an exam. Yeah, so we are done with the first category, where I have shown you the pens that I use like on the daily basis, and the pens that I use for like notes taking and stuff. Now I'm gonna talk about the second category, where I'm gonna show you the pens that I don't really use for notes taking or stuff. I just use them for journaling if I want, or sometimes I just keep them just as the sake of decoration. That's it. I don't really use these pens, guys. So let's begin with those category. These pens that I usually use for journaling or sometimes as a sake of decoration. So let me talk about these pens. So if you're wondering that what is this and which type of case it is, like it's like for these type of pens I have made this one. I know it's kind of ruined now, but it's like for like it's with me for like months, and I have made this for by myself. So yeah, so let me tell you about these pens. So let's begin with the first pen. So yeah, this one. This is my favorite pen, guys. This pen is very much something that I don't really use on the daily basis, but this is the cutest pen that I have, because when I literally first saw it, I literally thought that whether it is a pen or something else. But when I just hold it and I got to know that this is a pen, I feel so good, because I am a huge stationery enthusiast and I like buying the stationery items which are cute. And yeah, this is how this looks. This looks pretty cute one, and this is quite very long pen. Yeah, this also writes smooth, like yeah, and this was like for about 80 bucks I got it. So yeah, I haven't seen this kind of pen online yet. So when I just first saw it on the stores, and I decided to just take it home with myself. So yeah, this is how this cute pen looks. I'm also gonna show you that whether it writes good or not. So let me just tell you. So yeah, this writes literally so good. Like whenever I need to journalize or write something good, then I feel that this pen gives me those vibes of writing. So this is the cutest pen that I have. I love you, bunny. Okay, so the next pen is this one. This pen is like of yellowish color. It has SpongeBob in it. This pen is also the cutest pen. It has the 10 different shades of color in it. It's like a multiple color pen, and I got it from a fair that holds here every year. So I got it like for about 30 bucks maybe. So yeah, I don't really remember it because it's like 2 years old pen. So yeah, whenever I need to journalize something or I have to write my views or scribble down anything, that I use this pen, because this gives a good color to my notes. So yeah, and it is very affordable as well, because if you're gonna check it online, then you will get these type of pen under like 100 bucks, or some pens are also under 50 to like 80, and this is a good choice, an affordable choice. So yeah, this has a lot of pens colors. It has like a pink, green, orange, blue, yellow, the dark blue, red, purple, black, brown, green, pink. So these are the colors it has. Like it has a total of 10 colors, which is quite decent. So yeah, now let me talk about the second pen. This pen is a unicorn pen. So this pen is also the cutest pen that I have, and this also had those 10 colors. And when I first saw it, I just decided to get it because it was so cute. I am in love with unicorn. So yeah, this is what I like about it. Yeah. So now if I talk about the next pen is this pen. This pen is basically, it is gel pen. Yeah, so this is something that I again bought from the stationery, and this is a great pen. Like it has a rainbow shade, and it again gives the vibe of unicorn. So yeah, this is what I like about it. This one is a light pen, but still it's a good choice. I bought it for around, I guess, 50 bucks. So this is how this looks. So yeah, that was all for this video. I also have a lot of blacks pen and also some of my favorite pens, but I just thought to end up this video right here because I have talked about the pens in my previous videos as well, and you may find my videos quite boring with this type. But let me just tell you, if you have any suggestion or if you want me to make any type of video, you can just comment down and I will try to make the video on your choices. So I hope that you like this video. I literally want to keep it short so that you won't get bored of these type of pen, and if you want me to show these swatches of these pen, then I will try to do that. So yeah, don't forget to just follow me on Instagram for more updates, and also watch my older videos, which is how I take neat notes and the tips for studying during this quarantine. And if you have any suggestion, if I'm lacking with anything in my videos and other stuff, then you can comment down. I will love to read your lovely comments. So let's meet up in the next video. Bye guys, wish you all luck, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment down, and also follow me on Instagram. The link will be in description. Thank you and have a lovely day.